This is Abhinav. I came to Dr. Gupta for otoplasty. Right ear was protruding outside, so that needed to be corrected. I was looking to get that done for a while. So I came to Dr. Gupta, had the consultation, had the surgery, and yeah, so everything went well. Say a man's face or a woman's face is what people see. So this was part of my face, and the ear was protruding. When I saw my pictures, the ear was prominently, outside. Not good. So it meant a lot to me, and I had to get it corrected. So I'm glad I came to Dr. Gupta and got it done here. Right now I'm delighted. Once I saw the ear open, it's perfect, and this is exactly how it should have been, how it should be, and I'm very happy. Thank you, Dr. Gupta. I would suggest, yes, people, if it really bothers them, then they should go for this procedure because it enhances your face, and the more symmetrical your face is, the better you will look, and also increase your confidence. So I think people should go for it.